Rallis, good set of Q2 numbers?
And yes, and it has come in after a long time. You know, this is one company which has been seeing declines for almost 6-7 quarters. Wow. And now we have seen an improvement that has come by. And that's the reason that why the street is so is cheering these numbers that we are seeing. So revenues, they increased by 11% on a YY basis. We saw an EBITDA growth of 24% to come in at 166 crore rupees. Profits were also up for the company to come in at 98 crore rupees. Both the segments have done well. If we talk about the crop care segment, the company says that's where the EBITDA was up 5% versus Q2 due to volume growth and better cost management. So the volume growth this time around in the domestic crop care business has come in at 17%, but there was a drop in pricing of around 11%. So the agrochemical industry continues to see pricing pressures. Export volumes were flat, but again, there was a decline in pricing, and that's why the overall export revenues declined by around 9% this time around. If we talk about their seeds business, that is where a strong growth has come by. 48% on a YY basis because of better Kharif liquidation. So this season has turned out very positive for the company. EBITDA also increased on the account of higher sales. There's higher operating leverage also. So both the segments have done really well. The seeds business especially, which has been under pressure. And that's why this stock is buzzing in trade, a 14% rally. And that is coming after a long time for this one.
But, you know, looks like the street was expecting, or, you know, they believe that things have bottomed out, because this year the stock has given a 47% return.
Yeah, but that despite the fact that last few quarters haven't been
coming out with muted numbers, I think the narrative that things are going to get better, the worst perhaps is behind, has been playing out for a while now, because the stock has done pretty well. But let's talk about BSC.